In this video, I will show you how to download apps without a payment method from the App Store. It's actually very simple, so hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. So let's start. You go over to the App Store, which we'll do right here. From there, you want to click on your profile icon, which is the top right corner. From there, you want to go to your name right here, profile. It will take a few seconds to load. After that, you want to click on country and region. It will take a few seconds to load again. And then you want to select your country, change country, go to your country, for example, for me, Bulgaria. And now you click agree, obviously. And you got to select everything. You don't really need to add your credit card. You can just select your mobile number, add everything. You don't have to write an actual street, from what I understand. Click next, and that's it. Now you can have it without an actual number. That's all you got to do without an actual payment method. See you next video. Comment down below if you still have any questions. I try to reply to every single comment.